Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today, I am going to show you how to change the default font in Microsoft Word. First, open a new blank Word document. Go to the Home tab and click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the font section. It's a tiny square with an arrow. A font window will pop up. Choose your preferred font, style, and size from the options. Click the Set as Default button at the bottom left of the window. A pop-up will ask you where you want this change to apply. Select all documents based on the normal template, then click OK. From now on, every new Word document you open will use your chosen font. One important thing to know, this change only affects new documents. Existing documents will keep their original font settings. A quick tip, if you want to quickly reset everything back to Word's original font, just repeat the same steps but choose Calibri or Aptos depending on your Word version and size 11 before clicking Set as Default. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.